Python programming language. Python is popular general-purpose high-level programming language, often used on a server to create web applications, created around 1991 as a successor to the ABC language. Python is actively and widely used for software applications and web server-side development. Also very popular for machine learning, artificial intelligence, and Internet of Things trends. Python is widely used in procedural, functional, or object-oriented programming styles and works for Windows, Mac, Linux platform and use simple, basic English-style language syntax, allowing less programming code lines development. Python doesn't have data types for variable declarations, which makes it perfect candidate for artificial intelligence development. Python widely used on a server side to create rapid web applications for production software development. Python has normal database connectivity and support for web application software development. Python has all the best languages characteristics like object-oriented, algorithm support, and memory garbage collection. If you search for Python, you can navigate to official python.org site, click on Downloads, and select your platform and package. Also, you might go for Python tutorial and documentation. After download and install, need to make sure that Python is added to pass in environmental variables and also check it in your command prompt. Like mine, for example. I'd like to recommend you to learn Python 2 integrated development environments. Visual Studio Code, for which you simply need to open an empty dedicated folder. In case you are using VS Code, please click on Extensions, type Python, and make sure that this Python from Microsoft has been installed. Or PyCharm, where you can always create some kind of project, file, new project. Okay, but make sure, please, that going to file settings, you can change your appearance. For example, select a theme, and you go to Python project, Python interpreter, and you got to your Python interpreter path properly. For example, this basic file I'm going to execute. I'll show you the execution. That's it. See you in the next lectures.